use it the illuminating gel art as well. However is like fit with your preference or your clients. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the twin tip brush and then give really a soft like drawing. Do same thing with this one. This golden touch is so pigmented and the consistency is so beautiful. It's not runny at all. So you have like absolutely full control. You can do a lot of details. Thanks everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay. And then this I want like have a really deep smile line. And then you can do it like however, depend on however you like. You can do a deep smile line or you can do it just like shallow. It just really depends on your client's preference. I think I'm really like this look. Give it a quick 30-second here. Okay. If you don't want anything else, you can just like here for 30 seconds and top coat it. And then you're good to go. Hey Nichols, good morning. Happy Monday. Hope you all have a fabulous Monday and productive Monday. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited because we're not using this one and some of the crystal from the mix, you know, like bag that we get it from the subscription box. So here's we have the second step, and then I am going to use what we're talking about. We're using the matte finish. So what we're gonna do, we're using condensed glue gels and matte top coat and also precision glue gels to finish the looks of a crystal designs. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the condensed glue gels, a good layer, not too thick and not too thin. Thank you so much everyone. Hey April from YouTube, thank you so much for tuning in, and Nicole from Facebook, thank you so much for tuning in, and thanks so much Instagram fam and Twitch fam for tuning in. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply just this part because we are going to do the crystal on this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels on that. We're gonna matte top coat, and in this matte top coat we're gonna do is completely floating right on the inside the nails. So I'm gonna move this just a second, and we're gonna get the matte top coat floating right on the top. There you go. I am excited about this. All right, so here we have our centerpiece. It's so cute. And then some of super cute the crystal mix in there. And you don't, if you are not having this mixed bag, you can able to find it's really simple on the I think it's Holiday HQ, or if you are using just the crimson, you can able to use that from your perfect combination crystal kits as well. I'll do just that one, and then we're gonna add some beads on. So usually when we do the beads, we want to put it right in between the joints of the crystals. So it's not only to make it looks like you are doing a decoration like a piece of jewelry, but it still looks, it's gonna help connect all of the crystals together. So the closer they are, the tighter they are, the better, the longer they're gonna last, because they will always like support for each other, and they kind of like connect together like a little chains. How's everyone doing? I'm gonna add 3 on this one. It looks super cute. But you can, if the clients don't want anything with the beads, you can definitely skip this part and then go right into keying it. You know, you can start keying it for, try to get, that's like really cool. It has like a rose gold silver, and then also the rose gold silver, and then on gold. So that's why I kind of like having really fun with all different colors right now. I'm not using that one. Try to get the smaller. One more. That's it. Hey, if you want to add some more, you definitely can. Damn it. Get a piece of paper. And then I'm going to just wipe it off on the edges. So make sure that there's no extras of or the excess of the condensed glue gels and top coat on the side. So now we are go ahead and key for 60 seconds.